Good morning children. I am Sulata ma'am. Today I will teach class 8 student bios. I will start. Then chapter's name will be reproduction in plants. Before I taught about the reproductive part of the plant, that is flower. So flower already I over. Now today I will start the reproduction in plants. So various types of reproduction occurs in the plant and what are their varieties. Now what is the meaning of reproduction? As the name suggests, re means again and again and production means the newly formed organism or newly formed objects. So this is the definition of reproduction. That is the reproduction of new organism from pre-existing organisms of the same species. See, children, pre-existing means those who are existing on earth or surviving on earth. They only can reproduce, not other things or dead things can reproduce their own kind. So, this is the definition of production, that is production of new organism from pre-existing organism of the same species. Now, varieties of reproduction. What are the types of reproduction occur in plant? First is asexual, second is sexual. As the name suggests, asexual. Asexual means there will be no requirement of male and female organism. Only one organism can reproduce their own kind. This is asexual reproduction. And sexual reproduction, it needs male organism as well as female organism. So, this asexual and sexual variety of reproduction, today I will explain about the asexual type of reproduction. So, asexual type of reproduction, as I told, that there is no requirement of male and female gametes or no requirement of male and female organism. So, one organism only can reproduce their own kind. First variety is called as binary fission. Children, as you understand, what is the meaning of bi? Bi means two. Binary fission means two bracket. So, one cell will divide into two, then two cell will divide into four, four cell will divide into 8. This is known as binary fission. This is the figure for the first binary fission. There is one cell, it is nucleus. When they mature, they start to divide and they become longer and thinner. Then this nucleus will be divided into two parts. After that, there will be one cell plate or then partition will develop and then one cell divided into two other cell or newly organism. This is the binary fission. Second type, budding. As children you know, bud you have seen in all the flowering plants. The small green colored bud appears first, then it will grow, then petals come out and then lastly the flower will bloom. Same thing happened here in animals case also or in other plants also. Budding. Budding is one figure I have shown here. It is hydra. Hydra is an animal but they are also showing budding. See, this is the parent hydra and this parent hydra, there is mouth, these are the tentacles, this is the basal area from where the hydras are attached on the rocks, and this is the bud of the hydra. This black colored, and bud of the hydra, when it starts grow from the main body, then it will grow and become fully grown, and after fully grown they becomes heavy and detached from the mother's body or parent's body you can say, and then they can grow into the new organism. This is known as budding. Third process, this is fragmentation. Fragmentation, as the name suggests, fragment means pieces, or while it is cut into small pieces, then each and every piece will grow into the new organism. Here I have seen this is third type. This is Spirogyra. Spirogyra is a longitudinal thread-like structure. It is the cell. It is one cell. So cell to cell they are related with each other, and then this Spirogyra, when they have some division, then see this is the one Spirogyra. It is having two parts, A and B. Now A parts will be detached and then become A dash. B part will be detached, then it becomes B dash. This is known as fragmentation. Now spore formation. Children, you have seen your bread. When bread got some fungus on it, it becomes slight ash color, then bluish, then they become blackish in color. So this is the, suppose this is the bread, piece of the bread. This is the fungus, and fungus have some small black pores in their rounded head-like structure called as sporangium. When you will touch it, then you can get the black spores on your fingers. So this is the another method of asexual reproduction for the spore formation. And when these spores will fly along with the air, and where they will get the proper environment, they will germinate and they can grow other or new organism, and this is known as mycelium. Mycelium, and mycelium grows at a cluster, or mycelium grows on the bread in a cluster, and they will have sporangium, spongiophore, and they have spores in it. This is the next asexual method of reproduction, that is spore formation. So mainly non-green plants will produce the spore. So children, thank you.